Good morning. In this lecture, we will learn about the historical development of road construction. So, the oldest mode is like footpath, animal ways, and cart path. As civilization evolved, the need for transportation is increased, and the systematic development of roads was developed. It was Roman roads, that is before 500 BC. They were built straight regardless of gradient. There was no slope, only it was straight. They were built after the soft soil was removed and a hard stratum was reached. And the thickness of the Roman roads varies from 0.75 meter to 1.2 meter. This is the basic layers or construction of Roman roads, basic cross section in fact of the Roman roads. At the bottom of the trench, the Roman put a big layer of stones. First of all, what they do, they remove the soft soil and put the big layer of stones. Okay. Then second, broken stones, pebbles, cement and sand to make a firm base. And after that, cement mixed with broken tiles in the third layer. And in the fourth layer, paving stones formed the surface of the road. These were cut so they filled together tightly. And finally, curved stones at the side held in paving stones and made a channel of the water to run away. So it was basically the cross section of Roman roads. Now we can see the comparison. This was the Roman roads, and nowadays modern highways, 4-lane and 6-lane expressways are developed. Other oldest road transports are like Desaguiette construction, Metcalfe construction, Telford construction, and Macadam construction. In the next lecture, we will discuss the details of these oldest road construction techniques. Thank you.